Welcome to channel Enviro Annotations. I am Sanjay Mishra with the headlines of Enviro Annotations 20th May 2020 issue. In the Vizag gas leak case, Supreme Court turns down LG Polymer's plea seeking relief from NGT order. Indian scientist develops lightweight carbon foam that can replace lead acid batteries. The non-toxic carbon foam will also be useful in a cost-effective manner for the removal of arsenic, oil and other metals from the contaminated water. Shri Meena, IAS, is the new chairman of Central Pollution Control Board. Making of Jakhni Jalgram is the editorial note. Dairy farms and Gaushalas to be covered under consent management, suggests Central Pollution Control Board. You are watching channel Enviro Annotations. Enviro Annotations is the first and happily the only weekly newspaper in India. It is dedicated to environment and allied news. It is published every Wednesday. You can subscribe to the digital version of Enviro Annotations for a nominal subscription fee of rupees 1100 per year. That is for 52 copies. Nod to Coir Geotextiles for road construction would boost coir industry, says Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari. Gujarat to adopt sensor-based rural drinking water delivery monitoring system under Jal Jeevan Mission. Guest article: Solid Waste Management, a Treatise written by Madhusudan Hanumaappaa, concluded with "Together we can and together we will." Tata Steel Jamshedpur is the Indian benchmark for carbon dioxide emission intensity at 2.29 ton of carbon dioxide per ton of crude steel, stated in Tata Steel's Integrated Report 2019. Thank you for watching this video. Please do hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it now. Have a great time.